Hello friends. Imagine this. If someone asks you what a chef does, easy answer is they cook. And a teacher, they guide learning. An architect, they design spaces. But when someone asks, what does learning and development really do? Well, that is not so simple. When I started out in this field, my instinctive answer was always, we do training. And yes, training is a part of it. But as I grew in this profession, I realized that answer only scratches the surface. The truth is, L&D is much broader, and at its core, the function of learning and development is to help both people and the organization learn and grow, so that they can perform better, adopt the change, and achieve results. Think of it this way. L&D exists to make sure people have the right skills and the right attitudes and the right knowledge to succeed. As we do our job really well, we often go unnoticed because everything just flows smoothly and people assume it just happens. Now let's break down more clearly. What exactly does L&D involve? It can happen at multiple levels, across the entire organization, within a single business unit, a specific team, or even just for one individual. And when we say learning, it doesn't just mean formal training session. It can include coaching and mentoring, designing personal development plans, supporting performance management and talent programs, creating and curating learning contents like articles, blogs, videos, e-learning modules, or even bite-sized micro-learnings. The list is long because learning takes many forms. So, if the purpose of L&D is to drive learning and growth, then our main responsibility can be boiled down to three key questions. Question number 1, what do people need to learn? Question number 2, what is the best way for them to learn it? And third one, how will we know they have actually learned it? These three questions are like our North Star. They guide everything we do. Here is the practical example. At the beginning of the year, each department in company sets business goals aligned with the overall vision. Suppose the company focuses on delivering high quality customer service. A department goal could be implement 3 quality control checks to ensure customer satisfaction scores stay above 85%. Now, where does L&D fit in here? First, we analyze the learning needs. Do employees need to learn new quality standards or maybe better customer communication skills? Second, we choose the right learning method. Should it be workshop, role play, job aids, or maybe digital modules? Third, we measure the impact. Did customer satisfaction scores actually improve after the learning intervention? That is the cycle: needs, method, and then impact. So the next time someone asks you, what does L&D really do? You know how to explain it. We are not just trainers. We are enablers of growth. We make sure individuals and organizations are equipped to perform, adopt, and succeed. Now, I would love to hear from you. How would you answer those 3 L&D questions in your own organization? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this useful, don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more from our channel. See you next time. Thank you. Thank you for watching.